Welcome to Soul Kiss. Of course, I'm David Hauser, and I'm here to talk about love. Well, here I am, still out in the forest. Second day of shooting. We're getting ready to wrap. And I wanted to talk about making love out here, man. Wow. Can you imagine being in a place like this, making love? Something sort of magnificent about it all. One part of us certainly are creatures. The other part of us are certainly spiritual beings. But when you sort of bring those two things together, you have something very beautiful. And certainly this is a beautiful place to have that experience. I remember in my youth, I used to have a tent, and I used to have a special spot I would go to up in the mountains to bring my love to. It also had ferns like this everywhere. There's something very primal about the whole thing, but just so sublime and beautiful to be there in each other's arms all night long and wake up, with dawn, because you naturally wake up with dawn, and just seeing our naked bodies and just being in the tranquility of the morning in the forest. It just seemed so natural. It seemed like it was very freeing. It was a very free feeling. Well, I guess you really have to have a lot of trust to make that one happen. And you have to be very mindful about how you make it happen. You have to have the right stuff to protect the one you love, to make her feel secure enough to give herself in the most sublime, beautiful settings in nature. Oceans of love.